Have you ever stopped to wonder why toucans look like they're dressed for a tropical runway show? Their legendary beak isn't just a flashy accessory, it's a marvel of nature. Lightweight, versatile, and even a built-in cooling system to help them stay comfy in the heat. And those dazzling colours. It's like nature handed them a backstage pass to steal the spotlight. But there's more. Toucans are social butterflies, or should we say social birds, full of charm and mischief. They're the ultimate rainforest entertainers. So next time you spot one, take a moment to appreciate this colourful, quirky superstar of the bird world.